Well, good morning, everybody. It's Dr. Hoskins here at Pure Cow Now. Hoskins Family Chiropractic. Have a question for you. Those of you that clean your house, is it easier to clean once a year when everything's accumulated over the year? Or is it easier to clean once a week, once a month, once every 2 weeks on an ongoing basis? Or is it easier to just hide the mess? Some of us choose to hide the mess with medications and things that block the signals that our body's telling us something's going on. Some of us choose to just ignore the signals. Some of us choose to just clean up when it's we can't walk anywhere, and so that's once a year. And there's a lot of work involved in that, and a lot of pain, a lot of struggle, a lot of frustration. And then some of us choose to get clean up every day, every week, just a little bit every day. Keeps everything spotless, keeps everything presentable, keeps everything functioning at its highest possible level. Well, that's what chiropractic is. You can either cover up the pain, you can deal with it all the way it becomes a problem and have to come, every day for a few weeks, or you can just come in on a regular basis every week, every other week, once a month if your body's doing that well. But you need chiropractic on a regular basis if you want to stay at the optimum levels. I mean, you can choose to stay presentable, or you choose to stay clean and clear. It's up to you. But anyway, that's what chiropractic message of the day. When I saw my shelf back there that desperately needs to be cleaned and organized, but you know what? That's a very good chiropractic correlation. Is you can cover it up. You can wait for it to become a I almost said tragedy, and with what happened this week, I don't want to use that word. An overwhelming obstacle that is going to take a day or two to do it, or you can just take care of it a little bit at a time and keep it clean. And that's my message to you. Chiropractic helps keep you clean if you use it on a regular basis. Guys, take care. Bye bye.